Hello everyone, today I will show you how to download a video from YouTube. First, open the YouTube app or go to the YouTube website on your computer. Once YouTube is open, use the search bar at the top to type the name of the video you want to download. Press enter or click the search icon. Look through the list and find the video you want. Click on it to open it. When the video starts playing, look at the bottom of the video screen. Here, you will see a row of options. These options include like share, save, and more. Among these options, find the one that says download. Click on download. Once you click download, YouTube will begin preparing the video for download. By default, the video will be downloaded at standard quality, which is usually 480p. If one has to download the video at a higher quality, like 720p or 1080p, you will need a YouTube Premium account. After the video finishes downloading, you can find it in your device's download folder or in the YouTube app under the download section. Thanks for watching.